So in this video I'm going to show you how to move your money from Bybit or any centralized exchange like Binance into your phantom wallet. So you should have your Ethereum ready. Like before. So my Ethereum is inside my unified. You know here. Why is my Ethereum my fund? Where is my Solana? I mean Solana. Okay, here's my Solana. I don't know why it's not showing up though. But I'm going to withdraw it today. So I've already moved it to funding. You can just click on transfer and move it to your funding account. So I'm going to click on withdraw right now. So go to your phantom wallets. So you want to click on your Solana, click on receive Solana, copy and paste. Copy and paste. The chain will be SOL. Hey, almost 0.1 time. Can you imagine? So I'm going to click on, I think I'm done right now. I'm going to click on confirm right now. So submit. So send my verification code. So and also my authentication number from my phone. Where is my phone? So I'm coming, guys. Bybit. So click on next step. I think we are done now. So we just submitted. So you can, if you want to, if you are a trader, like a dinghy trader, if you want to move your fund from one phantom wallet to another, you can just click here. So like this now, I have like two phantom. I have another account. So if I want to move it to here, I can just click on receive, copy my address, go to my first address right here. Okay, so you can see the money has reflected. Put my first address, click on send and click on paste. Boom, amount I want to use 0.1. So you see, click on next, click on send, and to be directly sent to it without any issue. So you can now trade as you like. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.